In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove the subscription or exclusive content feature from your profile on Instagram. This will make it so that people can no longer subscribe. I added this feature because I thought it might help me with the monetization process. I'm still not monetized, so I don't think it helps at all. And I don't want to create paywall content or make people pay for anything. So at this point, I just want to remove this feature. To remove this, we want to tap on the subscription button on the right side of the screen. This is right below my professional dashboard thing. So I'm gonna tap on this. If you do wanna add more stuff here, you can do that through this screen as well. But I wanna tap on the settings on the top right corner. From here, it's gonna give me some more info and a lot of different things that I can do. So if you want to adjust or tweak your exclusive content, you can do that here. I'm just gonna tap on subscription details. So this is gonna give me more options, and I wanna tap on subscription status. So it's gonna say subscription active since June 2024. Deactivating your subscription will archive all of your exclusive content and remove the subscribe button from your profile. Your existing subscribers will be notified that their subscriptions have ended and will be refunded for the current month. This action cannot be undone. You can choose to start a new subscription at any time. So that's exactly what I wanna do. Tap deactivate subscription. It's gonna give me another pop-up, and I'm gonna tap deactivate. So let me quit the app and restart it. Still on here. There we go. Now it's gone. So just had to refresh that. So there you go. That's how to remove the subscription feature from your profile. People will no longer be able to subscribe unless I go back in and set that up under the monetization settings. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, found it helpful. Let us know what you think down in the comments below. Like and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you in the next one.